The wildfires have been tragic to watch in the Los Angeles area, and there are many health concerns that we should talk about. I'm Dr. Bayo. I'm a physician and health advocate, and I've been a doctor for over 10 years. If you are in the Los Angeles area or even just nearby, you need to know about the air quality index. You can find out what that air quality index is on your phone. So you're going to pull it out, you're going to look for the weather app, and then you're going to scroll up. A number greater than 100 means the air is unhealthy. If you have to go outside, you want to limit the time that you're outside. Even if it's for a short period of time, walking the dog, you should wear a mask or some sort of face covering. If you have any health conditions, specifically asthma, COPD, you definitely want to wear an N95 mask. That's going to help reduce the amount of smoke that you inhale. And you want to also have your inhaler nearby, even if you're just going for a short walk. If you have to hop in the car and go to the grocery store, you want to make sure that the windows are rolled up all the way. There's a button in your car that's circulation for air. That is helpful because it limits the bad air from coming into the car. All of these things can be really helpful in just reducing your overall exposure to high levels of smoke, which is toxic to the lungs and irritating to the lungs. These particles that are burning right now are not meant to be inhaled. And in the short term, you might have a cough or that heaviness in your chest and difficulty breathing. But the longer you're exposed to these, the greater your risk for developing a long-term lung disease. If you've been evacuated and you've been allowed to go back into your home, the first thing that you need to do is just see what items have been impacted with ash or smoke. Then any food that's out, throw it away. It's important to wipe down all of the surfaces, do a deep clean. And when you do the deep clean, you want to have gloves. If you have a headache, if you have difficulty breathing, you're feeling tired, it's possible that you have been exposed to too much smoke. And it's important to look at options such as like the virtual care, going to an urgent care. Any of those things can be great options. I would not wait to be seen. I would make sure that I get checked out because the longer you're experiencing these symptoms, it could actually lead to a bigger problem, such as a chronic lung disease. My heart goes out to everyone who's been impacted, and I hope everyone is able to stay safe and make their health a priority.